So in this video I am going to talk about some of the interesting facts and mystery of our solar system. Without wasting your time, let's get started. Fact number 1. As you know, there are 8 planets in our solar system, and out of these, 2 planets, Venus and Uranus, revolve around the sun in the clockwise direction, whereas the other 6 planets revolve around the sun in the anti-clockwise direction. We still don't know the reason behind it, the rotation of these planets, whether why it is rotating in the clockwise direction. But one of the reason that Uranus has suggested that in the early days Uranus might be collapsed with any other planet which is like the earth like planet, or the size of that planet is much more than that as compared to Uranus. One point I also discussed here is the Uranus, for example, some planets like that, then Uranus is like that. There is a 90-degree phase shift in the rotation of the planet. So by this collapse, by this hit, maybe the there is phase angle difference between the Uranus. So do you know this fact? The second fact is coming from the distance. The distance between the Jupiter and the Saturn planet is around 670 million kilometer. As you have heard some noise in my background, but ignore that. And the distance between the sun and the Jupiter is around 750 million kilometer. Somehow there is a there is not difference between them. There is 4 planet and asteroid belt coming between the sun and the Jupiter, and whereas there the Jupiter and Saturn, there is almost the same distance and as compared to sun and Jupiter. So you can assume that when we go farther in the solar system, then the distance between the planets is continuously increasing. And the reason behind it is still that the gravitational force of the Jupiter and the Saturn is much more as compared to the rocky planet that is in the inner part of the solar system. Moving to a third fact, the size of the Neptune planet is bigger as compared to the Uranus, as we view in various videos and we studied in various early days in NCERT books, in CBSE book. The diagram that is made in the book is Jupiter is in the middle of that is very big, and then Saturn, and the Neptune Uranus is denoted as a small planet, but it is much bigger than the Earth and Mars like, and it is smaller than the Jupiter and Saturn. But if we compare Uranus and Neptune, then Neptune is far bigger than the Uranus. One thing that Uranus has also is a beautiful rings like Saturn. The Saturn has a beautiful rings, but Uranus rings are not easily visible by naked eyes, or you can say if you focus, then you can able to see with the help of telescope. But the Uranus has this advantage, and the one thing you don't know and shocked after listening this, Neptune is hotter as compared to the Uranus. That's weird. That's weird, because if we move forward, if we move far away from the sun, then the things get colder. But in this case, the changes are different. Neptune is hotter as compared to if we talk about the Uranus. This is also the strange fact. And if you are bored about listening these 3 facts, then the 4th fact is for you. The Neptune moon Triton is revolving around their planet in the opposite direction. For example, if the Neptune moon is like this, then Triton moving in opposite direction. It is not easy to demonstrate. For example, if I demonstrate, then the Neptune moon is moving like this, and okay, that's not easy. Neptune moon is moving like this, and no, it's not like that. It's like, yeah, it's like that. Neptune moving like this, and the planet is moving like this. So basically there is an anti-clockwise direction. The reason behind it is obviously because it is not the part of the Neptune planet. All the moon that revolve around the planet is in the same direction as same as the planet. If the planet moves in say this way, then also the moon moves in same direction. But here the situation is different, and the reason behind it, as far the studies suggest, that the Triton might be come from any of the solar system, any of the alak part, and whether it is coming from the Kuiper belt or any part of the universe, and sometimes it is on the border, like now, right now, for example, Pluto on the border of the Kuiper belt, same as a Triton might be on the border, and Neptune gravity pull him up, and then it is locked in the tidy gravitation of the Neptune. So might be there is a that is a reason. So that is the strangest fact of the, and even I don't know that this is going to be happen in our solar system. Moving to the last fact, and what about the Pluto? Well, it is not a planet. It is, the Indian Astronomical Unit pull it away from the category of the planet. Have also a strange fact, and that is the whole planet, the 50% of the planet is covered with the oceanic fluid. If we dig out the surface of the Pluto planet, not for 200 or 300 meter, or just 15-20 meter, you have to dig just 1 or 2 meter, and you will found the oceanic fluid in the form of liquid in the on the surface of the Pluto. There is a thick layer of nitrogen which is on the surface of the Pluto, and if you just dig your elbow in this, then you will found the oceanic fluid, and the fluid that is in the ground of the Pluto is much more water than as compared, if we compare with it today's on the Earth's surface. And there's still a study going on, then how it is collect so much water. Well, it is far from this sun. That might be the reason. So this is the all for the today, and these 5 facts. I'm not. I hope you are not listened anywhere, and for this kind of facts, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want that this video I make in Hindi language, then obviously you can contact me, or you can comment in the section below. Fact number 1. If a planet born, then the direction of the planet around the sun is same as compared to the as same as the planets at the moon.